Hello everyone. Today we will discuss some numericals of cyclic process. So I have drawn the skeleton diagram of the questions because I want you to know the difference between the three questions and what care has to be taken while solving such questions, right? So here in this question, this is the question where it says that 1 mole of an ideal gas undergoes a cyclic process ABCD from the given diagram. Calculate the net work done in the process where 1 atmosphere is 10 to the power 6 dyne per centimeter square, right? And from here, that means it is clear that you have to find out the work done in ergs, because 1 atmosphere is given in 10 to the power 6 dyne per centimeter square, and here you have to convert this volume also in centimeter cube. So you need to know the conversion factor for centimeter cube also. 1 liter volume is equal to 10 to the power 3 centimeter cube. The question is given here. These are the coordinates of P and V. This is 2, 1. We know that PV coordinates are given in such questions. That means the first coordinate is the pressure and the second one is volume, right? So here this is 2, 1, this is 2, 4, this is 5, 1, and this is 5, 4. You have to find out the work done. This point is A, B, this is C, and this is D, and this is the process, cyclic process, right? So you have to find the total work done in the cyclic process, but we must also know how to calculate the work done in each process which is taking place. So WAB, WBC, WCD, and WDA. We have to find out this, right? So here WAB. So WAB means you have to find out the area enclosed between this AB and this volume axis. This is what we have studied in theory. So you can say if we mark this point as E and this point as F. So you can say that this is area ABEF, and this is expansion because from A to B the volume is increasing. So you can write down this as this length and this breadth. So you can say that AB into BE. This is a rectangle. So you can write down this. AB will be volume. So 1 liter is 10 to the power 3 centimeter cube. So you can write down 4. This is equal to this. So 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 into 10 to the power 3. This will be in centimeter cube into BE is how much? This is complete length. This is 5 atmospheres. So 5 atmosphere means 5 into 10 to the power 6. Now this is in dyne per centimeter square, right? So this will give me 3 into 10 to the power 3 into 5 into 10 to the power 6. So this is 15 into 10 to the power 9. This is ergs, right? Then we talk about BC. BC is constant volume. So area between BC and volume axis cannot be calculated. So this is 0 because volume is constant. Then we talk about CD. CD is compression. So during this CD process, this area shown by red dots is to be calculated. So you can say that area CEFD. This is to be calculated, and this is compression because the volume is decreasing. So you can mention here that this will be equal to CD into CE. And CD is how much? Again 4 minus 1 into 10 to the power 3. This is in centimeter cube. Now this is compression. So that means we will have to write minus for this work done. Now here multiplied by this CE. CE is how much? 2 atmospheres. So 2 atmosphere means 1 atmosphere is this much dyne. So 2 into 10 to the power 6 dyne per centimeter square. So this gives me the answer minus, this is 3 into 10 to the power 3 into 2 into 10 to the power 6. So this gives me 6 into 10 to the power 9, but with minus sign, right? Then we talk about WDA. dA, again volume constant. So this work done is also 0 as volume is constant. So total work done in the cycle. So W net in the cyclic process, or you can say W net in the complete cycle, is equal to the area enclosed. This way also you can calculate, or WAB plus WBC plus WCD plus WDA. So this also gives me the answer. WAB is 15 into 10 to the power 9. BC is 0. CD is minus 6 into 10 to the power 9 plus DA is 0. So this gives us 9 into 10 to the power 9 erg. If we calculate it this way, this can also be used to find out this directly. This can be written as area of ABCD rectangle. So that is area enclosed. So this is BC into CD. This can be written as BC is how much? 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. This is what? Pressure. So this is atmosphere. That means into 10 to the power 6 dyne per centimeter square into CD is volume. Volume is 4 minus 1. And this is into 10 to the power 3 centimeter cube, right? So this gives us 3 into 10 to the power 6 multiplied by 3 into 10 to the power 3. So this gives me 9 into 10 to the power 9 erg. The answer is same by both methods when we calculate it for the complete cycle. Now let's check the next question. The next question says 1 mole of an ideal gas undergoes a cyclic change ABCD where the PV coordinates are A 5 1. So this is A 5 1, B 5 3, C 2 3 and D 2 1. where P is in atmospheres, which is given as equal to 1.01 Newton per meter square, and volume is in liters. This is also given in the question. So 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube, and we have to find the work done in AB, BC, CD and DA process as before. The only thing is we have to take care of the units which we are using here, right? So here this is given. Now you have to find out WAB, WBC, WCD and WDA. I think by now it is clear that work done in BC and DA is 0. Now W in AB will be the area enclosed between this AB and volume axis. So this is suppose EF. So this will be area ABEF. So this will be given by AB into BE. And this can be written as AB is how much? This gap. This is 3 minus 1. This is volume. 3 minus 1 is volume. So you can write down into 10 to the minus 3 meter cube if we are writing. Multiplied by what is BE? BE is pressure. So this is 5 atmospheres. So this is 5. 1 atmosphere is 1.01 into 10 to the power. This is equal to 2 into 10 to the minus 3 into 5 into 1.01 into 10 to the power 5. So this gives me 5 to the 10 multiplied by 1.01 into 10 to the power 2. So this gives me 1010 joules. Now work done in CD will be area CDFE. So this is CD into CE. So CD is 3 minus 1. This is volume. So this is 10 to the minus 3 meter cube into CE. CE is how much? 2 atmospheres. That means 2 into 1.01 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. So this gives me 2 into 2 into 10 to the into 1.01 into 10 to the power minus 10 to the power minus 3 plus 5. So this is 4.04 into 10 to the power 2, that is 404 joules, right? And W net is equal to WAB plus WBC plus WCD plus WDA as before. So this is WAB is 1010 joules plus BC is 0. CD is in minus because this is compression. So this is minus 404 joules plus DA work is 0. So this is 606 joules, right? Now this can be calculated by other way also. W net is equal to area ABCD. This can be written as AB into BC. AB is how much? Is equal to CD. So this is 3 minus 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube into BC is what? This is 5 minus 2, that is 3. 3 atmospheres, that means 3 into 1.01 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. Now check out, this comes out to be 2 into 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 plus 5 into 1.01. So this is 6.06 into 10 to the power 2, that is 606 joules. So this is same whether we use the direct method for the complete cycle or not. But in some questions, sometimes the separate work is asked for different processes, right? So in that case, you have to solve separately. Now, the last question. Again, the PV diagram for a cyclic process is a triangle ABC drawn in the order this. The coordinates of ABC are 4, 1, 2, 4. This is 4, 1. This is 2, 4 because 2 is pressure. First coordinate is pressure. And this is 2, 1. This is A. This is B. And this is C. So our triangle will be this one. And the sequence of the process is this way. Right? So for this question, you have to find out. The pressure is given in Newton per meter square. Here it is in liters. So here we need to convert into meter cube because 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. This is what we have used here also. But this is already given in Newton per meter square. So the three different units we have shown in the graphs for which you have to take care while calculating it. Right? So you have to find WAB will be the complete area of the trapezium. If we mark this as D point and this is E. So this is area of trapezium ABDE. So this is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them. We know this formula by mathematics. So how can you calculate the work done during this? Half sum of parallel sides means BD plus AE. And separation between this and this parallel side is equal to BC. So this is BC. So half. BD is how much? BD is 2 Newton per meter square. So 2. AE. AE is how much? This one. AE. This is 4 Newton per meter square. BC is how much? This length. That is 4 minus 1. But this is given in liters. So I'll have to write multiplied by 10 to the minus 3. This is half into 6 into 3 into 10 to the minus 3. So this is 9 into 10 to the minus 3 joules now because I have converted this into meter cube and this was already Newton per meter square. And then we have to find the work done during BC. So this will be the area BCED. So again this we already know. So this is BC into CE. So BC is how much? 4 minus 1 into 10 to the minus 3. CE is how much? 2 Newton per meter square directly. So this is 3 into 2. That is 6 into 10 to the minus 3 joules. Then you have to find W in AC. So WAC, because no volume change, so this is 0. So W net in this case will be again WAB plus WBC plus WCA. So this is 9 into 10 to the minus 3 and this will have a minus sign. Why? Because BC is compression. So this is minus sign. So this is minus 6 into 10 to the minus 3 plus WCA is 0. So this gives me 3 into 10 to the minus 3 joules. Or the shorter way, when we have to find the W net, this is area of triangle ABC. This is half, base is BC into height is AC. So half base is BC means 4 minus 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 into AC is how much? This is 4 minus 2 Newton per meter square. So this gives me 1 by 2 into 3 into 10 to the minus 3 into 2. So this is already in joules. So this gives me 3 into 10 to the minus 3 joule. The same way, don't have to show by both the methods because sometimes the separate works are asked. So you need to calculate that. So they can use this also, but that case you have to take care of the sign which you are using for compression or expansion, right? So that's all for now. Have a nice day.